Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to find the training materials from MilesWeb affiliate dashboard. Open our website milesweb.com. Scroll down to footer and click on Become an Affiliate link. Or from the top, click on Affiliates. The affiliates page gets displayed. Click on the Login Here link. Login page will get displayed. Now enter your username and password. Click on Login to my account and you will see the MilesWeb affiliate dashboard. Click on the Training Materials drop down. Then click on Watch Training Videos. The Training Videos section will open, where you can select and view any training video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.